Hi to all CA Inter students. Hope all of you are preparing very well for coming examinations. Now I am going to provide you the list of must solve questions, sir. Or we can say the important questions you need to cover. At least these questions must be covered in advanced accounting paper, sir. You must solve these questions before going into the examinations. Solve these questions as a first priority. And after that, if you have any time, you can solve other questions also. Now I know some of the students might ask me, sir, if I can able to cover all these must solve questions, is it sufficient? See, that's what I'm saying. Now we have very limited time, right? Within this limited time, if you want to prioritize the important questions list, this is the list. And I know some of the students are not that much confident. They have wasted a lot of time. Now they are in confusion what to do. See, if you can able to devote next 10 days effectively for the advanced accounting, still you have an opportunity. Trust me. You can start with this must solve questions to get track into your preparation. Already I have given you the list of important areas. Along with that, you can use this. I will make sure that this is available in the PDF format. You can download it and chapter wise you solve everything. Now, I would like to bring here one important point, sir. Most of the students, sir, they are not solving, sir. They are reading like a theory questions. Suppose first they are reading the question just for formality sake. They are not understanding the question, no reasonable understanding. Then they are directly jumping into the solution without thinking, and they are watching each and every point, and they are checking in the calculator how this calculation came, how this answer came, how this amount came. They thought they have solved this. This is not solving a question. You are just reading it like a theory question. In examination, you need to solve everything now. Then the mental blockages will come. You will stop in between one step in the solution. Why, sir? Because you have not solved it now. You just read it like a theory question. Most of the students, sir, they are feeling that they are solving everything just by looking at the solution. Some students now, they have not understood the question. They're trying to understand the question by seeing solution, looking at the solution. They don't know what they're asking in the question. What are the facts given in the question? They're checking the solution. Now from the solution, they're trying to figure out how the question frame. That's not or how things will work, sir. Please understand. You will be in huge trouble if you are following that kind of techniques. Sir, how to solve, sir? Practical papers. Read the question with 100% concentration. Focus is very, very important. Underline the important points in the question. Second thing. Third thing is, take a rough book, try to solve the entire solution. No need to write in detail, just scribble it in the rough paper. Use shortcuts. For example, when you are preparing a question relating to balance sheet, roughly draw the balance sheet format, roughly write all the items, roughly calculate share capital, what items I need to present, reserves and surplus, what items I will present. This is called solving a question. If you solve like this, then in examination there will be a flow. Otherwise there will be blockages. It's very difficult to solve directly in the examination without having any proper practice. So understand, students, reading like a theory will not work in examinations. Please maintain one rough book and start writing. Start thinking, start solving it. Sir, I don't know anything, sir. First I will see the solution, sir. Okay, do one thing. First read the question. Try to understand this belongs to which concept. What is that concept says? And think on your own to what extent you can able to solve. If you are unable to solve, see the solution. Okay. And when solving, identify the important points where you are doing wrong things. And after that, after 2 or 3 days, again you solve it on your own. But now we have very, very limited time. I hope all of you have already solved all the questions. Now this is the time for prioritizing and practicing, right? These are the must solve questions. Okay. So quickly in the rough book, try to solve. Now see the chapter wise, the must solve questions list here is available. I'm reading. See this. First, Preparation of financial statements of a company, sir. What are the questions I need to solve? Study material, illustration 146, scenario based question 8, 9, 10. Open study material, you will have illustrations as well as scenario based question. Previous year paper, September 24, May 24. Sir, why I need to solve previous exam questions? Actually, sir, previous year exam questions, they will not be repeated in the examination. But why I need to solve, sir? Because in order to understand the level of concept they are testing in the examination, what ICA is expecting from me, what level of questions they are framing. In order to understand that, you need to solve the previous year exam questions. Not that these previous exam questions again, they will be repeated. Of course, there are chances that they get repeated, but the main reason is that you need to understand the standards, what they are expecting. Now, once you understand the standard, you are also prepared accordingly. You are also ready, right? Now, take cash flow statement chapter AS3. Go to study material, illustration 6, 8, 10, 12, 17, solve it. Scenario based question 16, 18, 19, 24. Previous year paper, September 24, January 25. Now you can use my recently uploaded revision marathon where I have solved some questions. What I have done is consciously I have solved examination questions. So RTPs, MTPs questions I have solved it. So you can use it. You can find those problems and you can cover it very quickly. MTP April 23 question, you solve it. Now coming to buyback, study material, illustration 346, scenario based question 9, 10. Amalgamation, study material, illustration 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13. Scenario based question 18, 20, 22. Previous year paper May 24, September 24. RTP November 2020. Like this, the list goes on, sir. So wherever you see illustration SBQ, scenario based question, it is from study materials. PYP means previous year papers. MTP, RTP, you know. Now, if any students has the difficulty in finding the source, it is freely available in the website, sir. You can go to the free resources, you can download it. You can download the question bank and you can see these questions. Along with the supplementary material, you download it, sir. And I will make sure that I will give it in the description also. So similarly, consolidation, AS21, AS23, this is the list. Illustration 1, 3, 4, 9, 11, 13, 15, 16, scenario based question 9, 10, 11, RTP November 2022. Previous year paper May 2022, May 23, September 24, May 24. Some of the students might felt, sir, you have given so many questions, sir. Sir, there are no shortcuts, sir. Please understand. Actually, if I give you very few questions, sir, you will get an instant pleasure. The list is so simple. If I can able to cover it quickly, everything will be over. But I don't want to give you any false promises, sir. So that's why whatever the questions, according to my judgment, if I felt, yes, this is the question student has to solve, I have given in the list, sir. Okay. That's it. So you can find all these questions in the list. And I will make sure that this is available to you. And I would like to bring one more point with you, sir. This is an examination season, you all know. Those who are writing in the September examination, advanced accounting paper. I am ready to clarify your doubts anytime. I am available in WhatsApp, Telegram. You can message me. If you you're stuck with any problem or if you're stuck with any concept, just send a message. I will make sure that I will answer all your queries, and I will give you the my Telegram and WhatsApp link also, so you can contact me. This all I want to do is help the students in this examination season. Whether you are purchased my course or not, no problem. You can message me. I am ready to help. Okay. So that's it, sir. All the very best. Use this in an effective manner. Hope this will help you in examinations.